We are looking for a general surgeon because our current general surgeon, who has been here for the past 43 years, is aging and would like to back down in his practice or at some point in time consider retirement. The person that we are looking for can be a flexible person. It could be someone who is in the middle of their practice and is tired of practicing in a large city, has a lot of experience. We are looking for someone who is interested in staying up to date in the latest surgical techniques. We are very supportive of buying new equipment and sending a surgeon on for updating their skills, going to conferences, and bringing back the latest technology to our facility. The person could also be a new person out of residency. We are interested in people that have children because it does support our school system. However, that is certainly not a requirement for coming here. But it is always nice to have a family-oriented person join your practice so that we would have similar views in our lifestyles and the decisions that we make for our practice and for our hospital setting. The most important thing, I believe, is that the person have a well-rounded repertoire of procedural skills and is eager to be busy and eager to work, but also appreciates time off from work and is willing to tell us what they need for time off and is willing to work with us when we need somebody after hours or on weekends. The call for the surgeon here is extremely flexible because we have had one surgeon for so many years. We do not have a standard surgery call. We are covered with surgery when the surgeon is available, and if the surgeon is not available, then obviously we would try to stabilize the patient and either transfer them if they needed immediate surgery or admit that patient until the surgeon were going to return and be able to assume the care. The referral base here is large, and obviously as a practice we refer to the surgeons that work here first and foremost, and then if our surgeons don't perform the procedure needed, we would refer that person out of town. The person that we're looking for to work here would need to have a long-term goal of being ingrained in the community and part of this practice as a whole, and also be someone who was supportive of our local hospital. Our primary workload here for surgery involves abdominal cases, gallbladders, appendix, bowel resections, diverticulosis surgeries. There is also room here for a surgeon to do thyroids, which we will frequently refer out. There is room here for vascular surgery, and that is something that we are very interested in having increase in our hospital. We have had surgeon or two in the past who has been somewhat interested in vascular, and we have equipment for that, but we never actually had them proceed on to the actual work of doing the carotid artery surgery or other lower extremity vascular surgery. We would be very interested in increasing that in our practice.